Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions and lip swatches of the new liquid lipsticks from Bad Habit. They just recently came out with their new liquid lipsticks. I purchased the bundle because it was cheaper that way, but first I'm going to tell you my final thoughts on the Arabas eyeshadow palette from Bad Habit, which I reviewed, I think, a month ago. So I will link it down on my description box below if you're interested. I still do not like the palette. I'm actually wearing the matte shades and this one, the shimmer shade, only this shade right here, like a middle part of my lid. I do not like the matte shades in here, especially the darker matte shades, because they are very patchy, at least on me. They are very patchy and hard to blend. The shimmer shades are pigmented. I actually like the shimmer shades, but the matte shades I don't really like at all. So now I'm going to show you the liquid lipsticks. So I purchased the bundle because it was cheaper that way. You can also purchase them individually for $6 each. So this is the unique carton, and one thing I like about this kind of reminds me of ABH packaging. So okay guys, so you can see the colors outside, which I really appreciate. So got it here, and it feels really silky. So I'm going to show you the shade. What shade is this one? Speed Dial number 5. I'll actually swatch it for you guys. So here it is. It's really nice. It's very moussey. So here it has still a little bit of alcohol smell mixed with paint or something, I don't know. So here it's a doe foot applicator, and it's very creamy. So I'm going to do lip swatches right now, starting off with the shade number 1 in Broken Heart. So it says here number 1.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be.
I went ahead and applied these 2 liquid lipsticks. So I applied my lips with the shade Trophy Life and then Centerpiece. My thoughts, I highly recommend these. I am very impressed with these liquid lipsticks. I love the shades. I love the formulation of the liquid lipsticks. These were very similar to the Milani liquid lipsticks, but thinner. If you like those liquid lipsticks, I think you're going to like these. They had that paint alcohol smell, but they faded away after like I applied the liquid lipsticks. The darker matte shades in here, I thought they would be like streaky and patchy, but I was wrong. They were very opaque. I didn't have to keep on dipping the wands. And this would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.